So I finally decided to eat at Nitti's, Nittis, Italian restaurant. It's close to my hotel. Calamari, garlic bread. I ordered bolognese, something bolognese. God, I'm so hungry. Want some? Want some? I'm eating calamari. Do you see me? I'm gonna show you. So, yeah. I'm waiting for my pasta. I'll be right back. God, I almost finished my calamari here. And then,
Pizza, yeah?
oh no, that's not mine.
Sorry.
I almost finished my calamari and my pasta is not here yet. My God, I'm gonna get fat on this trip. Whew. This is my pasta. Something bolognese with bruschetta. I'm not so sure, but it looks good. I'm not fond of the cheese though. But let's eat this and devour this, okay?